Hello, I'm Tragic O'Hara, and are you bored in your house, completed all your box sets, Tiger King's done, bored out your nut? Well, how about I bring some of my art into your house through the alchemy of AR? All you have to do is add cheese and wine. It was just black currant juice, by the way. All you have to do, if you've got an iPhone or an iPad, download the Adobe Aero app, right? And go to the link in the description or in the comments or something. I'm not making videos for Facebook and YouTube. Everyone's getting the same video. Not got time for that. So there's a link in the description, or there's a thing in the status, whatever, right? And download that, and I'll show you exactly what you need to do. Download the file. Open in AR. You don't need to clean your house. Don't worry about that. I mean, this place is a nick. You can enjoy this in your pants. You can put your jammies on, get comfortable. You don't need to socialise with other human beings. Some of you are probably missing other human beings, to be fair, but don't need to brush your teeth. Don't need to worry about that. You get your cheese, you get your wine. Aaron, what are you doing? Can you go in the house? Can you do it out the back door, please? Because I'm trying to film something here. You can have the exhibition with your wains in your house. So you've downloaded the app, you've downloaded the file. Open the file. What will happen is you need to scan it about. Scan and have a look at your floor, right? Then what happens is it marks out exactly where it's going to be, where all my pictures, all my paintings are going to appear. And all you do is you hit the button, you hit the screen, and poof. Look at that. Instant exhibition. Just add cheese and wine. Not only that, so you can look at the front of the pictures, you can look at the back of the pictures, you can look around about. See, even if you tap them, look at that. It takes you to my YouTube channel. You can watch me making them. Who needs to leave the house? Eh, look at that. Doddle. And there you go. That's it. That's the brand new exhibition from me, Tragic O'Hara. Just add cheese and wine. If you like my exhibition, share it with a friend. Share it with an enemy. I don't care. Just share it with somebody. Buy stuff. This is the only reason I do this anyway. Adverts. Buy things. Buy things from me. If you've not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button. If you're on Facebook and you're watching this and you're saying there's no subscribe button, go to YouTube, hit the subscribe button. Get me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook and YouTube. Any place. Not all social media. Some of them I don't do Snapchat. But yeah, and thank you very much. Let me know what you think of my augmented reality exhibition, which I made on my iPad. And if you want to learn how to make this, drop me a wee comment, how to make an exhibition. Drop me a wee comment. I've done a wee video about AR, but I'll do a more in-depth one. Because it didn't cost me anything to make this. Just cheese and wine. Just cheese and wine. Thank you. Stay safe.